all the beautiful people there. Welcome to another
Hello, Anjana. How are you?
I'm good. Good morning. Thanks, Ritu. It's a pleasure joining in.
Oh, same here. So happy you could join us because I know we have been talking that you will join, you will join. And when you're going to
Uh,
join, I go, let's book the date.
you know what? When it's a time, but that's when it's
When
going
is
to
it?
happen.
When
So
it's
we are
time.
here to.
Exactly. I'm going to quickly read your bio. I know you send me.
Sure.
So Anjana says, yoga to me is a union of mind, body, and soul. She has been practicing yoga for 17 years. It's a connection within yourself. She's a yoga instructor and very passionate about yoga. It's very meaningful and healthier. She's certified registered for 200 hours, Vinyasa yoga instructor, and certified in seniors and chair yoga instructor. And she's English honors graduate and diploma in marketing. Wow, you have a different marketing field as well. And many years of corporate sales and marketing experience she has. She teaches at multiple places like gyms, condominium buildings, retirement homes, cultural clubs, senior homes, and list is on and on and on. And I know she was in our Karasaga event, came
Yes,
and
I do.
did the yoga workshop, which was awesome. Before we begin, let's watch the video.
Oh, it was
Wow.
beautiful. It's beautiful. Compilation is beautiful. Thank you.
That's really nice. And sharing, thank you for sharing all those photos and, so much work you've been doing in our community. I know that. I want to start actually our interview with reading what you posted on Facebook. I really like that. So I'm going to
Sure.
read that for our audience.
Sure.
Let's chat on how to strengthen our body, build its immunity, elevate our emotional self, and stay positive in our thinking, especially during today's pandemic times. What came in your mind that you felt we can do so many things when so much is going on around us? How you do this?
Most important, Ritu, I always say everything starts from your mind. Even when you say,
Yes.
Anjana, COVID is around, people are worried, people are scared. You know what? There's a slang which we say YOLO. So it's you only live once. I believe you only die once.
Yes.
You live
Yes.
every day.
Every day.
I mean, we have so many reasons to complain. We have so many reasons to say, oh, I don't have this. But from the last year, Ritu, COVID has taught us, you know what? We are getting up alive. It's another life. Live it, your present moment. Even in my
Yes.
classes, I keep saying, live today. Enjoy your present moment. You don't know what the
Yeah.
next moment brings in.
And we have actually started appreciating what we have around us. I always say, what, we are so busy running lives. We are just running around, making money, business, work, job, commuting. Why? To build a beautiful home, to build a beautiful, comfortable home. And how many hours we actually sit in that home, in that backyard, and enjoy that
Joy.
moment.
Yeah, you just said it. We trying
Yes.
to accumulate things, but we
Yeah.
do even like for that matter, we are accumulating money. But can you get that health with that money? You can't.
Exactly. Yeah.
People, when I tell them do yoga even 20 minutes, oh Anjana ji, time nahi hai. I just look at them and I say, you know what? You're running morning to evening, you're getting up and you want to go
Yeah.
get business, get work. Yes,
hmm
money is important, but if you don't have the health, you can't enjoy that money
Yeah.
either.
Yeah. Health
So
is
just maybe
truly
20 minutes a
wealth.
day.
Yeah. Yeah. Health is truly the wealth. And I have
So true.
understand. And I have started since last year. So November, December, something happened. I started following a diet. I started doing yoga every day. It's been
Awesome.
helping. It's just, it's amazing. You feel in the morning. I do it in the evening sometimes. But yeah, I start my day. I come in my family room. I sit in front of the windows, and it's just so nice and refreshing.
You know what,
It does
Ritu?
feel
I
good.
really want to add there is no time for yoga. There is no age for yoga. You can start like today, you feel you are ready for it, go ahead.
Yes.
And don't worry, like people say, मैं flexible नहीं हूँ, मैं yoga नहीं कर पाऊंगी या नहीं कर पाऊंगा. I tell them, you know what? It's okay. It's a
Mhm.
journey. Everybody is on a journey, Ritu, today. We
Yes.
just our body, just listen to your body and trust me, Ritu, you've started you doing yoga from November. It's been
Yeah.
nearly 6 months. Don't you
Yeah.
feel your body talks to you? It tells you, Ritu, today I'm ready to do this, today I'm ready to
Yes.
do that.
Yes. I can feel the strengthening of my core because some of my friends know, whoever watching maybe, I had some little bit issues with my back, and this is really helping me.
I have
And
known you
it's
for like
so,
I think five,
yeah.
6 years now, and I feel that
Yes.
glow in on your face that yes, there's something you're doing.
Something I'm doing right. Okay,
Seriously.
so let's go back a little bit in the past. I want to hear, which I don't think we ever even conversed about this, how and when you came to Canada and when this yoga journey started for you.
I came to yoga in 2004 and I was here for a bit. And I came from the Middle East and I'm from the corporate background, as you've seen, sales and marketing. So I have been
Mm.
with the airlines all throughout my life. And I've traveled the world because of being in the travel industry. So I was in Indonesia, Far East, the Middle East. So when we came here, kids were small, and I don't know, it was just professionally, I was not too happy here. So we went back after
Okay.
2 years or so. And then in
It's
2010 is when I actually came back with my family baggage. That's how it was. And
okay.
started my journey and was working again in the corporate world, in the travel industry, and in the hotel industry. And in 2015 was sometime when I said, you know what, I have given like 16, 17 years to the corporate world with that sword hanging on your head all the time. I just said, I want to make my life more meaningful than what I'm really doing. And luckily, my kids were growing up. My daughter was where she's finished her university, going to work. So that kind of a stress was less that I have to
Yeah.
really do
Yeah.
a lot for the kids also. They were more independent. So I took
hmm
up my yoga course. I did my 200 hours. And will you believe if I tell you, when I finished and I started teaching from home because initially I didn't want to invest anywhere and was still reaching out to people, a total newcomer, though I was practicing yoga myself, but being certified was very new.
hmm
I had only one student for 3 months.
Oh wow.
And trust me, she wanted to take a class every day except
Please,
Saturday, Sunday. And I did for 3 months just one student.
one student.
And if I tell you the amount, you will be shocked. It was like just $5 a class. And I did it
I
every
remember you
day.
told
I
me.
never felt once that it's only one student and I'm spending an
No.
hour with her. I loved what I did. I was
Yeah.
giving it
Yeah.
back and I saw her feeling better. She
Yeah.
came back. And after that, God was so kind to me. I was so blessed. She started spreading the word.
Exactly. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
by God's grace, yes, even today, I have my classes full at home. I teach at various gyms. The word spread around. Then I certified
That's
for
it.
my seniors. And you know the journey from there on.
Yeah, it's so funny because we have so much similar journey. I started 2015 my dancing as well. It was
Yeah.
the same, I want to just follow my passion and do something more with my life than a corporate life. So
Yes.
I got laid off in 14 and then started
Yes.
with one student and then you move on. Yeah,
I think it's divine. If they
it's
have
same.
if the divine has something for you,
Yeah,
I think it just comes and you just keep
yeah, yeah,
accepting it and it works.
exactly. Yeah, you take a first step and then God will make the path for you. It'll connect you with the right people at the right time. You just need to take that first step for sure.
Like I connected with you, Ritu. I'm so blessed.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so blessed to have
Yes.
you in my life.
Thank you. Okay, so share a little bit about your classes right now. What's going on? How people, what timings of the week they can join, and what other community classes you're doing.
See, because of COVID, yes,
Mm-hmm.
otherwise I teach at the Win Fitness, which is in Meadowvale, the gym fitness over there. I teach at Fusion Fitness, which is in Brampton. And then of course, for seniors, I teach at various senior homes like the Indus Community, the Rainbow, at Brampton Multicultural. But because of COVID, we've basically gone online. So I have my
Mm-hmm.
Zoom classes with different groups. And then of course on Sundays I teach on my Insta page, which is yog.anjana. So yes, if anybody, like, I also take one-to-one classes, I take group classes. Like with summer coming in now, I will start like timings, it depends. Like most of the timings I teach from 5 to 6 or 6 to 7 because people are working. So then they say that it's the time which is convenient for them. So mostly it's in the evening, but my
Mm-hmm.
Insta class on Sunday is from 10 to 11. It's at yog.anjana, my Insta page.
Okay.
And so it's basically there, and you can reach me on 647-208-3800. And definitely, if it's one-to-one, I'll schedule as per how you
Mm-hmm.
want it and what your timings are.
So that's amazing. That's beautiful. I know how much you're passionate about it, and we did yoga dance session
Oh,
once,
yes.
which
We've done
hopefully
a lot
once
of
all this
workshops
up,
together.
yeah, we did some workshops, and we hopefully in the future will plan some more.
We will.
Just want to finish with when you do this yoga stuff, right? Do you like ask each class what they want, or you just kind of pick the rhythm?
For me, of course, I get to know my people and I do definitely
Mm-hmm.
ask them if they have any issues or any body ailments. But like I say, yoga is not one size fits all. I tell them, go with the flow of your body, listen to your body, and then I
Yes.
gauge how they are. But yes, I help them at every step because
Mm-hmm.
as I do, I watch them and then I help them in their alignments, in their postures, because that is very
Perfect.
important. And it's
Yes, of
not
course.
necessary that what one can do, the other can do.
No,
So go with the
definitely
flow.
not. Yeah,
Go with
definitely. Yes,
Yes.
yes. And how did you come up with the name Yoga Anjana? I like that combination.
Actually, I had kept it was some other name I remember, and then I thought, what, it's Yoga and Anjana, so why don't I just combine it and do it Yoga Anjana? And
Anjana.
when I wrote down Yoga Anjana before I took my name,
It was
I
nice.
it felt good to me, and my inner voice said, what, this is it, go for
This
it.
is it. Yes,
And that
yes,
is it, and by God's grace it has been
yes.
doing
Uh,
well.
it is beautiful. It's very I don't know, very creative, and
Thank you.
still you kind of resonate, and it connects your passion with you and everything.
Thank
So
you.
I want to finish with reading what I do here with Oracle cards. So today I took the card out and it says, letting go.
Wow. Wow.
I surrender joyously to the ebbing and flowing of life. So I'm going to read the meaning of the card. Surrender, relinquish control, and allow spirit to take over. You don't need to do everything by yourself. All is well. It's time to just let it go and enjoy the ride. Doing so gives others permission to let go in their own lives. The universe wants you to know there are times to hold on for dear life and times to simply throw up your hands and let go. It's time to release any limiting patterns, emotional attachments, or inner and outer clutter. Surrendering doesn't mean that you are yielding to a force outside of yourself. It means that you're allowing your soul to take over. Release the stress of needing to control things, wanting to determine the outcome of a situation, or expecting others to act in a particular way. There is a simple grace and beauty that unfolds when you truly let go. Loving spiritual help is all around you, and simply open your heart and let it in. So well said, and I love
Beautiful.
this card. So
Beautiful.
beautiful. Beautiful. So thank you so much, Anjana, for coming today. It was so much fun
Thank
talking.
you. Namaste. Thank you so much. I
Namaste.
love you too. Thank you. Namaste.
Bye.